Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the Conga 3890 laser. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to get your device back in working order. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a set of spanners, and a soft cloth for cleaning. These tools will be essential for accessing the internal components of your laser. Begin by unplugging the device and removing any attachments. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the Conga 3890. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. Now that you have access to the internal components, take a moment to inspect for any visible signs of damage or dust accumulation. A clean interior is vital for optimal performance. Use your soft cloth to wipe away any dust, especially around the laser lens and motor areas. If you notice any broken parts, this is the time to replace them. Make sure to source the correct replacement parts for the Conga 3890. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device professionally serviced without any hassle. Next, check the wiring connections. Loose or damaged wires can lead to malfunction. Ensure all connections are secure and replace any frayed wires. This step is crucial for the longevity of your device. After securing the wiring, it's time to reassemble the back panel. Align it carefully and replace the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this can cause damage. Now, let's move on to the laser calibration. This step is essential for ensuring your Conga 3890 operates efficiently. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for calibration, which typically involves adjusting the laser settings through the device's interface. If you encounter any issues during calibration, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice tailored to your specific situation. Once calibrated, plug the device back in and perform a test run. Observe its performance closely. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Conga 3890 laser. However, if you still experience problems, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before committing to any service. No calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device back in shape. In summary, repairing your Conga 3890 laser involves careful disassembly, cleaning, and reassembly, along with proper calibration. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can restore your device to its former glory. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and we hope you found it helpful. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.